Let's get straight into this 1977 Cadillac Coupe DeVille. She has a set of 20-inch spokes and Vogues. She can be purchased with or without the wheels. What y'all think, guys? I think the wheels complement the paint well. Drop down in the comments and tell me what y'all think. Those wheels not your thing, you can put the stock ones on and she'll still be a beautiful ride. She has the 425 cubic inch 7-liter V8 backed by a 3-speed automatic. Frame and floor pans are solid. Lower doors are solid. In my opinion, the paint is a solid 7.5. You can tell she was driven, but she's in overall good shape. And she does have the lamp monitors for your turn signals and high beams. Driver side frame and floor pans. Passenger side. Checking out the jambs in the lower doors. Deck lid. As y'all can see, she's nice and solid. Trunk nice and clean. Check it out. She has automatic latch, and that's my favorite feature. She has power windows, power locks. Seats show signs she was driven. Headliner. Back seat nice and clean. Package tray. Let's take a look at the dash. Mileage reads a little over 82,000. Upper dash. Lower. Engine bay is nice and clean. And there she is, the 425 cubic inch 7-liter V8, backed by a 3-speed automatic. She got power brakes, power steering, AC, cruise control, all the creature comforts. Let's start her up. Y'all make sure y'all go visit rollermuseums.com. We got over 100 detailed photos. We have financing available. All the contact information gonna be in the description below. Do not miss out, guys. She's beautiful. She's running nice and strong. Thank y'all for watching and y'all have a good one.